everybody, my name's Heidi and I work for Leicester College. I am one of the beauty therapy lecturers teaching anything between level 1, level 2 and level 3 in beauty. What we're going to do today is go through some of the treatments that you may learn, and one of them would be a back massage. So I'm going to just take you through a few simple movements of back massage and what you'd be doing on a day-to-day basis. My client here has been checked for all medical issues to make sure he's totally safe. We've made sure we've covered him at the lower part to maintain his modesty and privacy, and we have covered his hair to make sure that we're not going to get any oil or product in the hair. My hands have been washed, and what I'm going to do now is get some oil, and with the oil I'm going to warm it within my hands, because what we don't want is cold hands touching the client, because that'll make them jump and it's not going to be a relaxing experience. So what we're going to do to start with is use the whole of our hand, working up the sides of the spine and not over the spine, over the shoulders, down to the elbows, up and down to the sides of the back, bringing it in back to the centre, and we're going to go through that again. At this point, it would be really good to check with your client if your pressure is okay. Is my pressure okay, client?
Yes, thank you.
Wonderful. So I want to make sure now that I'm really working over the whole of the back to ensure that we're warming up the muscles ready for further treatment. So during your time at college, when we learn massage, we'd be learning what the benefits of massage are. So at this point, we need to think about relaxation of the client, stress relief, anxiety relief, muscular aches and pain relief, to make sure that we're giving them a tailored treatment so that they're going to return to us. So now what I'd like you to do is go from the centre of the back and do the same movement, the same effleurage movement again, and we are now warming the top of the back. This is so we can move on to some individualised shoulder work where a lot of that stress and tension and anxiety tends to sit. So we're going to move to one side and we're going to do like a squeezing movement like this, across the back and just across the tops of the shoulders, and this is where a lot of that stress and tension will be. So we're going to manoeuvre all around. Now when you're at college, you will learn all about the anatomy of the body. You will learn how the body works and how treatments such as massage actually aid the body. So as we continue, we've gone across there. We don't always use our hands when we're doing massage. We use our forearms as well to make sure we're looking after our wrists and our elbows, and us as therapists, our health and safety is as important. So once we've continued with this movement, I'm going to get you to use your forearm to push around the scapula, which is this bone that we often call our shoulder blade, taking it down, following it round and pushing back very slightly on the top of the shoulder to push the tension in there. So we're going to come again, put more pressure just on the top of our arm and press down. Okay, so again we do that 6 times. It's nice if you can see that we've got some music coming in the background. It's important to create that restful environment, which we try to do at college as best as we can, and obviously having low lighting to give your client that relaxation experience. All right. So once you've done that, you can manoeuvre yourself around to come and do the other side. Now the next thing I'd like you to do is one hand on top of the other, and you're going to do a figure of 8 across the back. So again, we're working around both scapulas now. So that would be both of your shoulder blades, doing a number 8, one on top of the other, across the back, making sure it's not rushed, We're making sure each muscle gets the time that it deserves. So we're really relaxing the area. And then to finish off the top of the back, we're going to continue with an effleurage as we started with, just to finish that section off. Now at this point, we would move down to the lower back and to continue the treatment of the sides of the back. And as we do that massage, we teach you the various muscles there, how this would work, how the blood circulation helps through massage, and really give you a thorough understanding of how this treatment's going to help with your client and to progress you and your career. We'd love to see you at Leicester. We'd love to see you join us, and so we can teach you all of our skill set in terms of level 2, level 3. But if you would like to ask any questions, please feel free to contact Deborah, myself, Heidi, or Sharon on our email addresses, and we'll be happy to answer any questions for you. All being well, we'd like to see you in September at our enrolment, so if you've not applied yet, please apply now. Thank you.